some gas.
Hey Tony, are you gonna get stuck?
I'm going to go slow.
You say I told you so. Slow.
Yeah, I dropped my ski there. I'm gonna try coming up above it.
Don't you want to keep going that way?
Yeah, I'm gonna try going in at those pines.
You're gonna wash out on the. Remember how like the snow around those trees sucks.
I'm just breathing hard for fun.
Brian just got exhausted pretty bad over there, up there, back there.
All the exhaust. I don't feel like I was gonna puke.
We'll show you. We'll show you what Nick's doing.
There, bud.
Nick, are you stuck going downhill?
Start going downhill.
Tony, what are your thoughts on that?
I mean, it is a giant wind drift.
Okay.
So it's okay?
Yeah.
He has clearance to get stuck there.
The snow is so set up now.
Yeah.
That rock hard. It's pretty. Like we're gonna have a good rest of the season.
Well, I think what you should do, Nick, is make it really easy for us to get down and out.
Yeah, will you make it nice for us?
So take extra time.
Of course.
Versus just doing a freaking trench.
Yeah,
Which I think you're going to do.
if you put in a trench, Tony's gonna yell at you.
Start blowing your whistle.
Tony, the safety officer. Nick is in violation of a few codes today.
His helmet, for one.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, I got Nick on a helmet violation. I got Noel on a beacon check violation. I had to yell him to get back on a sled, remember?
Who, Noel?
I think my helmet violation is pretty marginal.
Dude, you went like and tried to do a wheelie and did wheelie with your helmet on the top of your head.
That's the most important part to protect.
Yeah. Like,
Right?
The cranium?
Yeah, the cranium, the head.
Yeah.
Face you can replace. You can buy a new one of those. You can go to Mexico and get a couple of them.
How many faces have you gotten?
Just one.
Just landed on that one?
Chin
The chin. All right, here goes Nick gonna put in a huge trench for us. Oh, wow, he didn't.
Another violation.
Running over Tony. Tony's fired up today.
You slept at your house. You got a good night's sleep. No baby crying.
no
Keeping him up at
kids.
night. No Colleen yelling at him, elbowing him.
Tony, stop snoring.
Yeah, exactly. He's just down there sleeping like a baby.
Yeah.
Got a good rest. You guys making breakfast?
I tried, but he brought his own. He brought like a, like kind of a sausage McMuffin thing.
Like a microwavable thing?
I don't know if he microwaved it. It was in tinfoil.
Interesting.
Hey, Tony,
Tell us about your breakfast.
did you microwave your breakfast?
nah, I just ate it.
That's how hardcore he is.
Yeah,
That's
Tony's
our
all
safety
about.
officer for you,
Yeah,
hardcore.
he didn't want to risk burning his tongue. Safety officer.
Yeah. He'd rather eat it cold than hot.
Hey Nick, thanks for not
putting coffee.
Thanks for not putting a trench in.
I microwaved my coffee.
Ooh, safety
And then you put ice
violation.
cubes in it? I put ice cubes in my coffee. I don't like it too hot.
Well, I thought you just put ice cold creamer in it.
I take it black.
That's pretty cool.
I came up that, through there, was wheeling like this. I set it back down, came through this, over that mound, and was in a full wheelie. I was like, which way do I go? Which way do I go? Which way do I go? I gotta put it in precision mode.
Oh, you're in agile?
Yeah, I would have made it out of here. It was like this.
Yeah. Tony's just dropping down. I'm gonna try to go up here. There are a lot of logs. Brian was right. Alright, is Nick gonna try it? How'd that feel?
Can you adjust your track? Tuck, dip, up.
drift or something. Whoa! It just gave us away. Whoa! Been in this position the last couple minutes, huh? Dude, that was sick, man.
That's really fun up there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun. It's kind of fun. You can just, this is Ron. You met Ron dirt biking. This is his first time snowmobiling, really, right?
Yeah.
So.
They're kicking my trash today.
I don't know. He's doing really good. Dude, I like those bars.
Yeah. I think we might be the same height now, so it might.
I want to measure and see.
Yeah, we should measure when we get back. I've been measuring not to here, but to like the highest point of the bar.
Yeah.
So like top of this, and then I'll measure top of that.
Yeah. Here goes Nick for his second shot. Uh-oh, get out of the way!